Hey guys, this is gonna be yet another unboxing, and for me personally, a long-awaited one. It's from Newegg, so you guys can keep guessing what it is. I'm just kidding, it's gonna be in the title. So this is gonna be my new laptop for college, and hopefully I can use this through college for 4 years or so. I'm planning on getting a extended warranty a little bit later, but let's get right to it. The specifications of the laptop should be in the sidebar if I do it right and you guys can see it. And I'll put a link to the laptop on Newegg on the sidebar as well. This is, as I see it, almost the best deal, the best everyday deal that you can get for a laptop if you're looking for something that has an actual graphics card that can play games decently well. Yeah, this is only $800 for something that has a 4650 in it. So here's the box, and there were no reviews of this laptop anywhere, including Newegg, at the time I bought it. Now one guy actually reviewed it on Newegg. But yeah, here's the box. A lot of stuff there. HP on the top. A lot of stuff there. Their logo back here, and nothing on the bottom. Alright, so cut the tape here. I'm really excited for this because the laptop I have right now is 4 years old and it's getting a little slow. And it wasn't even a nice laptop when I bought it either. It was the cheapest one they had at Best Buy 4 years ago. It was $500. This is gonna be the first real laptop that I have that isn't a piece of junk. Hopefully this one actually costs a significant amount of money. Well, 500 isn't exactly a small amount either, but hopefully this one is going to be the first legit laptop I have that doesn't have a Celeron processor or only like 1 meg of RAM. Alright, this is getting a little annoying. Hold on a second, guys. Alrighty. So first open the box, and it's brown. I saw a lot of unboxing videos with a black one, but okay, it matches my door, sort of. Okay, another little flap here, and as expected, here's the power brick and the power cord. I'm planning on getting a extended 12-cell battery from eBay. It's like $65 and free shipping. The genuine HP version is around 120 on Newegg, plus shipping. That was a battery, by the way. This is 6-cell. Not really expecting it to last that long. And I suppose here's a book with a bunch of stuff in it. I don't know what that says. Everything's in French. You get your little fake CD here. Make your own restores. I shall do that. A bunch of other stuff here. Telephone numbers. Something. Oh, identity theft protection. They give you a sale on that. Offer. Save 20% on accessories. Maybe I'll use that. Get a bag for it and stuff. Using parental controls. I'll be my own parent. Thank you very much. Yeah. Notebook essentials. Yeah, they show you how to use all the stuff in there. Cool. Retain for future reference. Oh, limited warranty stuff. And take notes. the best TV network video clips on your notebook. Oh, it's a notepad. Alright, so we'll put all this crap here. And finally, the thing you guys have been waiting for, and certainly I have been waiting for, the laptop. Ready? Oops. Alright, so with the battery out, it's really not that heavy. Here's the plastic. Take off. I don't know how. Alright, so here's the laptop. And it's really not a fingerprint magnet. It disappears right after I touch it. That's cool. So it's a little imprint on here. Yeah. Alright, let me open this. The hinge is quite heavy. Wow, so this is really nice. There's a keyboard. Here's all the stuff that comes with it. So, yeah, I'll give you a quick tour around the ports. Here's the webcam. The HP logo here lights up, I believe. VGA, HP expansion ports, Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet, HDMI, eSATA/USB combo port, and I believe you can charge your iPod while it's in sleep mode as well. Another USB, FireWire, 5-in-1 media card reader, express card, 54, I believe. Infrared receiver for the remote, microphone jack, 2 headphone jacks, power, charging, and hard drive LED indicators. Optical drive, 2 more USB ports. That's probably for the TV tuner, I didn't get it. Modem port, Kensington lock slot, and the power jack with the little LED. And the bottom here, nothing really. So I'm really excited about my new laptop, and I will do a review on this as well after I use it for a little bit. So I'm sorry about the delay about the other videos. I'll keep them coming, and thanks for watching, everyone.